Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to restore old aluminium wheels and how to grind them, how to paint them and what you should watch for. This is the material I use when I grind and clean aluminium wheels before a new paint. But watch out guys, don't use it when you don't want to paint the wheels new, because it's like sanding paper. So you can see the material is like, yeah, I don't know, like hard cotton maybe, and it's possible to grind, and it's very flexible, more than sanding paper. So this is better for sanding things like aluminium wheels. As you can see, it's a grit 400. I use water with a little bit of soap cleaner, classical from the kitchen, and then you can start to grind. You can see like the smaller damages like this one, you can do it just this way. As you can see, almost gone, because it's only in the color, not in the material. So it's gone. Here you see we have a bigger damage. Here maybe we will use some more strong sanding paper. But first I always give a try for the not so hard, you know. So as you can see, even the bigger damage, which looked very hard and painful at the start, now it's almost gone. So if you use spray filler before we paint it new, you will don't see the scratch anymore. So you can see a 400 grit can solve problems you don't expect it can. You know? So let's see, we have some scratches here. I don't know if you can see them, I will take it. So I think you can see the scratches. Let's give it a try. So take a closer look. And you can see scratches are gone. First look is like, oh, the aluminium wheel is destroyed, and you see they are pretty thick layered with color, so often you can repair it just by scratching, grinding it down. I think this is a classical damage, curbstone damage. Let's try. So you can see the curbstone damage is gone. Nothing major to the material. So the thing I wanted to show you is that most cases of scratches are easy to repair by just remove the old color. Now what I'm gonna do is I grind the whole wheel so everything is nice and smooth for a new paint job. So now let's start a time lapse. Just to make sure, when you're starting to scratch this area here, You see, I try to clean it up as it best, because if you leave this old material from the breaking, your paint job will not stay there where you put it. There is another important tip I want to mention to you. If you have any valid numbers you need for your technical investigation, for example like this KBI number in Germany, please make sure to make it really clean, because if you paint it once more it will not be so good readable, especially when you don't clean it really perfect. You also need to clean the inside, because when you put new tires on it you want that they keep the air pressure and don't let the air out. Here's many dirt inside. You should clean this all away. So you see, it's getting hard to grind something down, because the paper, or whatever you want to call it, is already destroyed. It looked like the old pullover of your grandfather, which was stolen 20 years ago and then given back. You see? Then you know it's finished. Always remember to cut out the old glue of the weights which were installed before. Take an old knife, Another thing I want to mention, what you should do when you paint your aluminium wheels and you ain't got tires on them. Take out the old Schrader valve, because the valve is a place where there's not much space, and when you paint and the valve is still inside, you see there will be rust and dirt inside or whatever, what will make it more difficult to do a decent paint job. So turn it around, pretty easy. You see this gum here, take a knife and cut it down. Try not to cut the wheel close, but not too close, because it's only rubber and you can take it out later. And then take it from the other side and just pull it out. That's everything. So here we have a special case. This one was already painted from the pre-owner, you can see, but the paint is not good. There is some scratches and it's starting to break off, as you can see. So this old paint needs to be completely removed. If you have the factory paint, it's still in a good condition. You just can scratch it down until it's working for you to paint it again. But in this case, somebody used the not correct chemical color, so this one needs to be removed. Today I got a friend who is helping me out with scratching all the things I have to scratch. So let's go on with it. Here you can see perfectly that it was rain painted. This is the original ground. This is the original silver. And here you see second ground, yeah? And that's the second silver you see. So you can check it again here. Repainted silver, repainted ground, original silver, original ground. You can see it like how old is a tree or something like that. But you can see when you're grinding how much a car or a wheel or whatever has been painted. So as you can see here, we had a strong contact with the curbstone. I tried to move it a little bit that you can see better. Let's see if we get this done with just grinding it down. This is the result after 5 minutes grinding. You can see there is really left some really minor scratches. When you spray filler it, will be gone. So not every contact looking very bad to the wheel is that much in the end. I am grinding with 600 grit and wet because I don't want to destroy the material of the wheel itself if not necessary. And yeah, that's the way I do it. I take some time. This job made roughly 5 minutes.
Wer hat das gemacht? Who did this? Wer hat das gemacht? Wer hat das gemacht? Sollst du das machen? Was ist das hier? Ha? Kleiner Stinker.